Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to modify a Trikonasana, a triangle. Starting by walking, stepping or jumping the legs out to the side. Let's turn the left toes in and then the right toes out. Here, engage the knee muscles and the thigh muscles so that you've lengthen the knee, make sure that you feel comfortable in the hip. Take the arms out to shoulder height. Hinge forward with the front leg straight, and then release the arm down onto the leg. To start with, let's take the top arm back to the hip. We'll bring that one last. Turn your gaze towards your leg. Here you'd like to make sure that your nose, your knees, your toes, especially second and third one, and your fingers are on the same line. If this is not the case, perhaps your hips are pulling your back and your nose is to the front. Your intention is to bring the outside of the knee towards the hip back, so you can maybe swing it a little bit more towards the front with the top hip. So that top hip will roll slightly forward. Once you find that you've got a comfortable alignment, that you can press the big toe little to inhale, out to heel, and maybe even lift the toes to give a little wave, that's an indication that your weight is not too forward and you're not going to come out of alignment or full on your nose. Here, we're going to make sure that the positioning of the hand is comfortable for the rest of the body. Meaning that if your back feels like it's being pulled too much, you can very well keep the hand to the thigh. This is a triangle, the triangle's between the legs. Maybe you can come to the shin. Try not to rest the hand onto the knee because you might pull the knee back too much and do some damage to your ligaments, which we wouldn't want to happen. Some people may find a brick on the inside of the leg helpful so that they can bring the body a little bit more forward. You may also now take the top arm up with the palm facing towards the long end of the mat. The neck goes usually a little bit more back. I'm one of those people that want to come forward, and if I come forward and look forward as being a bit curious or checking everything that everyone's doing in the class, my bum's going to roll back, and this is not a triangle. So here, I'm going to place the head a little bit more back, lengthen the spine, so that my chin, if I take it down, goes more or less into that little notch here, always parallel with this. You could also take a tiny bend into the front knee if that's more comfortable for you. Hands to the hips, come back, have a go. Always do the other side as well whilst you're at it. Namaste.